What's up, guys? Bryan here, and tonight I am at Crooked Descent in New Hartford, New York. We're doing our best not to screw up this intro because I'm not about to shoot this for a 5th time. Here at Crooked Descent, they have 2 amazing attractions, Afterworld, Asylum, and Forbidden Family. Forbidden Family is the returning attraction from when they were in Herkimer. And they also this year have a brand new escape room. This here is Chicken Man. Chicken Man, is it scary?
Yeah.
How scary?
Yeah.
Really? And you peed your pants, right?
Yes.
But not in the attractions.
No.
You heard it here first. Chicken Man peed his pants, but it wasn't in the attractions. I think he pooped in those. So, you know. Come on out, see this. This is amazing. Let's go hit Afterworld Asylum.
Let's go right in there! Take a seat! Get out! Get out! Right there! Take a fucking seat! Get out! Get! Get on! Go! 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 This way! Come on! Out the door! Come on! Get on the table! Get on the table and don't move! Get on the table! That's so fun! Stay close to the walls and don't get babies! Doctor needs more babies! Look at that! Give me the babies! No! Baby, no! Please help me out! Get your old girl now! This one's
Who's hungry?
I'm hungry. What are we eating?
Oh, you're not supposed to be.
I smell dinner! Where do you think you're going? My patients haven't ate all day!
Are you cooking dinner?
Open my oven, why don't you? Creepy man! Only one gonna go! I wanna run! I've seen the universe! I've seen good stuff! Okay, get me out of here! Get out of here now!
Oh, he's got you all right.
Get out of here!
Come on, you gotta keep moving. They're infected. They're all gone.
I'm not fucking crazy!
You gotta move.
I'm not crazy!
Of course you're not.
Save yourself. Hurry.
Come on! Don't you want to see the doctor? You love him!
This is for you. You were dead. You will rot. The dark below will consume you. You will never leave. Rot.
Okay, I'm leaving now. Bye.
Help me, please. Help me. I'm hungry.
Wow.
I'm hungry. Please help me. Please help me. Please help me. Help me. Please help me. Why are you running from me? Help me.
I just went through the Asylum attraction. Now we're gonna head into Forbidden Family. Mama's little boy is coming home. Let's get to it. Hi, I'm here about your extended auto warranty.
Get into your charity! Get in here! Time out! I don't want to. Get in here! Get back in here right now! Get down from there!
Woo, hi.
It is time for dinner!
Where did you come from? You live in the fridge or what? You do? Okay.
Absolutely not! Get back down here! We have guests! Get down! Go through! Making a mess in my house! Move along! Why are you making a mess in here? I don't understand why I'm inside now! Why are you stop your screaming! There's people here! Get out of here!
I'm trying.
Move it!
Help me!
Wow. Oh my God. What's wrong with your dog?
I don't know. He's a mixed breed. Do you want to play with us?
Can I pet him? No? Okay. I don't want to play.
Go clean the tub! You've gotta go get clean for Mama! You have to hurry! Mama's waiting for you!
Wow.
They're here! You're dirty! You get out of my way! Move! You have to be...
Don't touch the show.
Where are you going? Oh, what do we have here?
Mama's getting married! Welcome!
Mama's here?
Try to confess those sins!
You must confess your sins! Come on! Let's take all your babies! Confess your sins! Confess your sins! Confess them! Confess them! Confess your sins!
Why don't you go back to my chapel and find out? Mama wants to play! Mama wants to play! Mama wants to play! Mama wants to play!
Please, please, they're trying to take my baby!
Your baby?
You gotta help me, they're trying to take my baby, please! Please, no! No, no!
Welcome to my drunken cabin. Watch your head, watch your feet. Take a seat, take a seat. Take a seat, take a seat. Watch your head, watch your feet. A few quick things for you all to know as my game soon begins. In each room you'll find a lock. The lock, and you must find the key.
Okay.
To unlock each door and each key, leave each key inside each lock as you resume. You can use anything that you see in the room. Make sure not to use personal things. Leave everything that you use in each room and leave each lock inside each key. My clue to you as your time nearly begins. Peel back the scalp and you might find the key locked within. Peel back the scalp and you might find the key locked within. Find my key! Find my key! Find my key now!
right,
Find my
let's find the
key!
key.
Find my key!
I got a manual for some toy cars. Aha! All right. Clue. We found a flashlight.
Peel back the scalp and you might find.
Peel back the scalp.
Peel back the scalp and you might find the key locked inside.
Aha!
Peel back the scalp and you might find the key locked inside.
Ah, gross.
Congratulations, you found my key. You may now.
We got it. We found the key.
Move on from me!
Please help me find the recipe. I need the ingredients for the purple line. Help me.
All right. All right. I found it.
Please help me.
Would that say fingers? You need those. Let's double check this. You also need this.
My wallet's now fucking empty!
You need those. All right. So does that mean the key is in here?
Get out of my kitchen! Get away from my stuff!
We have a key. It's really icky. I don't know how well that's gonna show it. It's gross. Where do I exit?
Get out of my kitchen!
Well, this is.
Fucking crow!
How do we? All right, I have the key. I have no idea where it goes. Aha!
Crow!
Aha! The man wants music.
Get out of my house! I scoop your eyeballs out of your skull and eat those for dinner instead!
Oh, this is a real problem. All right, so we are shining this on. Ooh.
Please don't!
All dogs go to hell.
Yes.
He goes to hell.
He's a fucking dog.
Bunny.
Shut up.
Bars.
Stop letting them now.
XOXO.
Please find the bear!
You don't know.
Please find the bear!
Key. Oh.
Please find the bear!
The bear? The bear. Another key. Oh. All right.
Please find the key, please.
Ew, I don't want to know what this is for.
Please, hurry.
23. Are you 23 years old? I thought the lyrics were, I don't know about you, but I'm feeling 22.
I need to hurry and find the key.
2.
Please, my sister locked us in here, please.
Oh, I think I understand what's about to happen. Okay, so there's these on top of this. I think I understand what's about to happen. I'm not thrilled about this. And this crying woman isn't helping. We did it! We escaped! We did it! All right.
So let's get your.
We did it. Record time, I think. What do you guys think? Is it scary? Yeah? Scariest in the state, right? All right, so we've just gone through both attractions and the escape room. These are amazing. If you're looking for something fun to do in the Utica or New Hartford, New York area, come on out here, come see the show. This is amazing. These are the Kings of Chaos in upstate New York. This is the most chaotic show I've ever seen in my life. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. If you like this video, make sure you check this one out because we think you'll like that one next. Now, I'm gonna go get some lumpia because this food smells amazing.